up, YouTube? Welcome back to Second Chance Garage. It's Curtis. I'm Nate. I guess Curtis will say hi.
Hi.
Man of many words. This is the 1970 Honda CB175. As far as wiring goes, we're going to need to wire up a starter. We got to run signal lights, tail light, brake lights. It's already got headlights. It's already got ignition, of course, but I went for a trailer wires because it's cheap. Connectors. We already got new spark plugs in it. That's to wire up the starter. The starter does not have the gear inside or the chain inside of it, but we do have that, right? It's, I think, behind you, under my helmet, probably.
Like,
I think it's behind the helmet.
First thing that came out a while back.
Yeah, a long while back. Well, we got new controls for it. We got the high beam, low beam. That's probably off. Or I don't really know. No, that's an on-off switch for the lights. Period. Look at that. We got a. I'm guessing that's off. Running lights, full lights. We've got that one. Probably won't be used. That's a emergency light. We can probably. I think on that one we should put underglow on it. On the emergency light. Emergency flashers. Got a start button. On this one we got the turn signals. Horn. There's high beam, low beam. Right on. We're going to be getting some mirrors for it pretty soon. Let's see what else we got here. Fuse block. New throttle. And these freaking awesome looking grips. Those look metal, but they're plastic or rubber, I guess. I love the way those look. And I think we can take this cap off the end of it and put bargain mirrors on it. All right, that concludes part 1 of the CB175 tonight. Don't fret, CBR could be back. It might not be back, but it might be back. We don't know yet.
You'll get an update at least at some point.
Yeah, you'll get an update, but it might be an update that it's gone over a cliff. All right, y'all. Peace out. God bless.
That it.